vlogged. So I just got home from work, and when I came in, I just saw my iPhone 12 Pro Max for my gift. And I'm really happy and excited to open it. And it was the gift for my birthday yesterday, but technically the package came in today. So we're going to start to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm so excited. So now I'm going to open the wrapper. So let's go open it. Okay. It's really nice. So excited! Oh my god. Okay, as you can see, this box right here, the color is blue. Okay, you can see. Okay, just hold on a second. Wow! Look at it, my friends. Wow, it's beautiful. I really like the color. So I'm going to unbox it. As you can see, look at it. It's really big, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is one of the latest phone that is in the market right now. So if you would like to know the price, I can write it down in the description below. It's very pretty. I like it. You can see that it's blue. I chose this color to see how it looks, but it's actually, I really love it. It's beautiful. So it comes with a charger, but it does not come with the power cable. So I brought a extended cable to connect with the power adapter right here, you can see. So you just put this inside right here and take the charger, because this charger has a different connection, so you cannot technically connect through right here because it's not the same fitting of the power adapter. So as you can see, I'm gonna open it. So I brought this from Amazon, this power extended cable. So I just put it in here, like that, and it will connect right here, as you can see, like right here, and I just connect to my phone. And I'll plug it in. I'll just plug it in. Let me see. This is new to me, so I'm also learning it. As you see, the power is on already. I'm going to open my iPhone case that I got for my gift too. So I'm just trying to open this. Just hold on a second, my friends. Oh, there you go. So as you can see, this is my iPhone case. The color purple with a heart on it. It also gave me a card of free life warranty right here. So I'm gonna put it on my phone case. Okay, first I'm going to open this. Put it inside right here, as you can see. Just going to try to connect it. I don't think. Hold on, my friends. I'm trying to. Up there you go. I don't think. Okay, I think I got it. So I'm going to take this off first. Okay, I think this is the extension part. Oh, so basically there's two parts. You can use this part and this part, but I'm gonna use both. So I'm gonna put my phone inside. There you go. And I think As you can see, here you go. Now I'm going to install it. I think it went to a different language right now. Oh, you see, it says hello. So you click it. Pretty cool, huh? My iPhone's Pro Max. So, right now I'm going to update my phone and put all the backup inside my phone. So, I would like to say thank you so much, Muna, for this wonderful gift that you gave me. I feel blessed. And also I would like to say please subscribe my channel, like, share, and comment below. Bye!